Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Google Translate without an internet connection, follow these step-by-step instructions to download language packs and translate text offline. Step 1. Open the Google Translate app on your smartphone. If you do not have it installed, download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Step 3. Tap Offline Translation to view the list of available language packs. Step 4. Tap the download icon next to the language you want to use offline. You can download multiple languages. Step 5. Wait for the language pack to download. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi for faster downloads and to avoid using mobile data. Step 6. Once the download is complete, you can use Google Translate offline by selecting the downloaded language from the language menu. Step 7. Type or paste text into the translation box, and Google Translate will provide the translation even without an internet connection. Step 8. To update or delete downloaded language packs, return to the offline translation section in Settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.